In this video, I'm gonna take you through a demo how our Skool video downloader work and how we've made it safe and very fast for you so you can enjoy all of your school lessons offline. It's as simple as getting a zip file from us, click 2 times on it just to unzip it. After it's unzipped, then all you need to do is to go to the Chrome extensions, make sure that the developer mode is on, and then you just want to load unpacked and make sure that you are on the right one, which is Skool downloader. You select it. Now we are good to go. Now you go to any Skool community that you want to download something from. Let's just refresh it. And you want to click on the Skool video downloader. When you click on it, as you see here, the video will be detected automatically, and you just click on download video. We'll wait for a second and everything will happen in the background and you'll get your video. Let's just give it a second and I'm gonna stay live with you to show you like how long it takes. It's very fast depending on how long and how big is the video, but usually it's very practical, has a very good UI experience. And for the first 100 people, we are giving it just for $9. We are not gonna be able to give it for $9 for when we cross the 100 people because of the server cost that we're having, because everything is happening on the background. So make sure to take it today. And if you buy it today, wherever we update in the future, you'll get email from us with a new update even. Here we go, that's the video. Let me just show you the video. Let's click on it and open it. And here we go, that's the video.
What? Hi.
Cool. That's it pretty much. Secure your spot today. Click on getting it and claiming it and enjoy it.